Hello and welcome. If you have found your way here, there's a good chance you're sensing that something deeper is calling you, a longing for guidance, healing, or a more meaningful way to navigate life and its challenges. My name is Christa Lynn. I'm a shamanic practitioner as well as I teach shamanic classes, and I'd love to invite you to join me for a live and interactive online shamanic class, a transformational experience rooted in ancient shamanic practices adapted for your modern life. So, for thousands of years, shamans around the world have journeyed beyond ordinary reality into the spirit realms, using sacred drums and rattles and sacred rhythms to connect with compassionate, helping spirits. And these journeys were used for healing, gaining insight, restoring balance to life when life goes out of balance, as well as clearing ancestral or family patterns that are unhealthy, and finding direction during times of uncertainty or when you're faced with decisions. What's important to know is this: you don't need to be a shaman to access this very special wisdom. These practices are part of our shared human heritage, and they can be applied humbly and safely in everyday life. So, this is not a pre recorded class. This is a live and interactive online class where you will meet in real time with me and fellow students from around the world. And together, we will create an intimate, supportive container where you will experience guided shamanic journeys into the spirit realms to meet with your helping spirits. We'll also do partner journey practices and skill building exercises to deepen your shamanic skills, as well as deep personal exploration practices as well. Because this work is so experiential, attendance is live, and that's what makes it so powerful. So, if you are new to shamanism, you are very welcome here. No experience is required for this class. And if you already have some background in shamanism or shamanic healing practices, this class will also help you to strengthen your journey skills, deepen your relationships with the helping spirits, and bring more clarity, healing, and confidence into your life. During our sacred time together, you will learn essential core shamanic practices, including how illness and imbalance are understood from a shamanic perspective and how illness is created in the first place. How to open sacred space for doing sacred journey work so that you are protected when you do these journeys into the spirit realms. You will also learn how to create a shamanic altar, how to work with the altar for healing and to focus your healing intentions, as well as you'll learn how to work with drums and rattles in a sacred way to enter into shamanic states of consciousness. You will also explore shamanic cosmology, including the upper world and the lower world, and how to journey safely into these realms, and how to meet your compassionate helping spirits, to work with them, to receive their healing, to restore well-being in your life, and to receive their guidance. You'll also learn how to connect with and retrieve your power animal that acts as your spirit guide and also offers protection in your life. This class is so special because we will also work with healing and divination practices, such as doing power animal retrievals for yourself and learning how to do that for other people, receiving guidance through divination journeys and omens, learning how to read omens and messages from your helping spirits, journeying for personal healing and insight, as well as performing divination journeys on behalf of others when they are seeking wisdom in their lives. And you'll also participate in a shamanic fire divination ceremony, which is a very, very ancient and powerful ceremony. One of the most meaningful outcomes of this class is the inner world that you will develop, a rich living landscape filled with guidance, protection, and support of your helping spirits. And as your journeying skills grow, many students will experience a greater emotional and spiritual well-being, a sense of empowerment and clarity, deep gratitude and connection, and a renewed sense of purpose in life. We'll also focus not only on learning these techniques, but on weaving shamanic practice into daily life in a grounded and sustainable way. And when you complete this class, you'll be eligible to participate in monthly online shamanic journey gatherings that I host to help you to continue to practice your shamanic skills and deepen those skills, to explore new themes each month, and receive ongoing support and guidance from me, as well as you'll be a part of a compassionate global shamanic community. Students often share how surprised they are by the depth of connection possible online. One student said that they were blown away, that the class was incredibly engaging, and that they formed deep connections with other students, and that they use these practices in daily life. And another student also shared that I create a safe, trusting space for journeying, and the class was powerful and deeply healing. So in this class, I will guide you through everything step by step. You are not alone. I am there helping you and guiding you. And if you feel called to walk the shamanic path, to cultivate inner resources, to reconnect to spirit, and to explore ancient practices in a modern, supportive way, I would be honored to journey with you and share these very beautiful, sacred shamanic teachings with you. So you can find full details on the class, and you can register for the class by clicking on the link below this video in the description. And spaces are limited to keep the group intimate, and because this class is live, early registration is encouraged. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to welcome you into the sacred circle very soon, and I look forward to seeing you in class and sharing these beautiful shamanic teachings with you. Thank you so much. May you enjoy this beautiful day, and I look forward to seeing you in class.